everyone. Today we will do drawing. Okay, then open your drawing book. This one finished now? Okay, very good. Now hold your book vertically. Vertically means in standing. Hold your book vertically. Okay. Shall we start? Okay, now write here today's topic, cat. C-A-T, cat. Full page drawing. Full page you have to draw cat. So draw one big circle like this. Lightly draw first. Now do dark. If you think this is correct circle, this much big I want. Now draw one U. Lightly draw first. Like this you have to draw U. Okay, and this much only you have to do dark. Dark. You have to rub this extra part. One standing line here. Here one more. Draw one oval. Oval. Okay. Extra part. Rub. This one. Again. One more oval. Extra part, rub. Finish. One curve line this side, one curve line this side. Again draw half circle. Half circle. Here also same. And extra part, correct, rub. Okay, one curve line here. Finish. Now here draw one U and then draw S. लग रहा है क्या कैट? नहीं लग रहा है? ओह, तो अभी आईज निकालें तो शायद लगेगा. तो ड्रॉ सर्कल हियर एंड हियर. सर्कल एंड स्मॉल सर्कल. One triangle. Nose and now here, yes, ears. अभी लग रहा है ना कैट. ओके, नाउ you have to draw these type lines on its body. Like this only you have to draw zigzag or V. In the first drawing we learn about lines, yes now? Now here same number of lines you have to draw. Finish. Now background. In the background you have to draw this ground line, small ground line only. Now here cloud line only you have to draw, but this is not cloud, curtain. We will color this with different color, not with blue. Okay, so skyline only you have to draw. This much big cat only I want. Don't draw this small, here. Draw neatly, big. Now here also on tail also you have to do this zigzag line. Okay, now we will start our coloring part. For color, what you have to do? First we will color today background, then we will color cat. Okay, then first we will do background. Okay, then shall we start coloring? Yes, thank you. See, I took pink color because this is curtain, so you can use any color, no need to. So in the first line, press this color and give dark color. Color darkly. Okay, like this. Fully you have to color, vertical only you have to color. Like this. Okay, in the second line what you have to do? Lightly, that color only you have to use, but don't press that color. Lightly do. Right? करेक्ट है? देखो यहाँ पे मैंने दबा के प्रेस करके किया तो उसका शेड अलग आया, यहाँ पे मैंने हल्के हाथ से किया तो इधर शेड अलग आया, लाइट आ गया. राइट, लाइक दिस ओनली यू हैव टू डू. फुल्ली डार्क, हियर लाइटली, एकदम हल्के हाथ से उसको प्रेस नहीं करना है और कलर कर. Like this. Everything you have to complete full. First color background, then this one, and then we will color cat. Okay, start coloring. Finish background coloring. You understood now? One time you have to press that color, one time you have to lightly do. Okay, now here brown color we will use. For brown color also, horizontally and lightly you have to do. Small parts are there, so do slowly. Lightly you have to do, huh? Where you can color horizontally, there you will color horizontal. For cat, you have to color with pencil only. Simple na? See, what you have to do? Fill these lines with pencil like this. How I am doing. Complete. Here, then here. Alternate you have to do. One line you have to fill with pencil and one line leave. Then again do with pencil, again leave, and then again with pencil. Right? First do this part, then I will show this one. See, slowly do, neatly do. Don't leave any white portion, white patch. एकदम आराम से धीरे 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 करो. पेंसिल से तो करना है हमको, है कि नहीं? Finish ना this much. Now here, this one you have to fill with pencil and this one. Here also, this one with the pencil and here. Do. Slowly in shape only you have to do. Neatly do. See how this is looking? Nice now? If you have grey color, then also you have to do with the pencil only. I know this is grey. We can use grey color, but no. With pencil only you have to do. Now in the tail, same thing, but little bit dark. थोड़ा सा पेंसिल के ऊपर का प्रेशर बढ़ा दो तो वो डार्क आ जाएगा. Alternate only you have to do. Here I done, here not, here again, here not, here again. Finish. Now eyes. Like this you have to do. See, finish. Now nose. Nose again with pencil and mouth also. Here one, this zigzag line you have to do, and color also. Color means fill with pencil also. It's nice, na? Do curve line. See, finish my drawing. Today's drawing complete. Simple. Not too much coloring part. Nothing. Yes, na? So, do neatly. And first color background and the foreground. And then color cat. Okay, simple coloring also. With pencil only you have to do. Don't use grey color. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Hi everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Today we will do drawing. Okay. So for that you need your drawing book and colors that you know. Okay. Now open your book. Vertical. Vertically means standing. Last drawing also we done vertically. Remembering, na? Cat. Yes. Again today we will draw animal. Wow. Vertically you have to draw. So hold your book vertically. And write here lion. Last period also one animal click photo. Like this. This cat is sitting for photo, giving pose for you. All animals are friends, na? Today lion also giving pose for you. See how? Draw one slipping line here. Then draw U. Like this you have to draw U. Okay. One circle, one more and one more. Here also 3 circles I am saying, but don't draw full circle like this. Now here oval, one more oval. In that oval draw half circle like this. Eyebrows. Okay. One oval, one standing line, curve line. Finish this much. Okay. Now draw V like this. Here also V. Finish? Okay. Now 3 standing line. One, this one second and third one. Okay. One U here you have to draw. One curve line. Oval. Here also one more oval. Like this. S and one more oval. Finish. Now draw S here. Tail. Like this. Now it is looking like lion, na? Okay. Here ground line. Now in this drawing we color this curtain green. Same process, light and dark, but with green, because he is in forest, no? So color with green. Okay then, shall we start coloring? Then start coloring. Take your colors. First we will color lion and then we will color background. In the last drawing what we done, first we color background and then we color that cat, right? Here we will do exactly opposite. So take yellow ochre. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can use yellow. Color yellow ochre here, full face and for full body. Tail also yellow ochre, okay? But don't color for nose, for eyes, okay? Here also you have to color yellow ochre, but don't color here in small circle, okay? Color. Big drawing I want, every time I am saying. Big drawing, full page draw. How I am drawn? Full page, no? Like this only you have to draw. I finish face and ears, but I not color in this small circle, then in the eyes, eyebrows and nose, right? We will color this afterwards. Now I will color body. Finish coloring body also. Yes, na? Now see, I took yellow ochre again, but with brown color, right? That means I took brown and yellow ochre. So first you have to color here like this. From face, from lion's face you have to do. No problem if it went inside that face, no problem. अगर वो अंदर भी गया कलर तो भी चलने वाला है, लेकिन आपको इसी तरह से कलर करना. Like this only you have to color. How I am doing. Don't color like this. How I am doing ना, जैसे मैं मेरा हाथ हिला रही हूँ वैसे ही आपको करना है, ऐसा ही कलरिंग करना है. Okay? Around his face only. See. Like this. Fully, huh? Here also you have to do. Now yellow ochre, you have to mix that like this. See, again same way I am coloring. But see here and see here. That color change when I use yellow ochre. That color change. So use how I am doing now. Like this only you have to do. Then only it look mixed. Okay. Now again I am taking brown. You have to start this brown from that yellow ochre. See. Slowly do. Like this you have to color. Okay, we always black color last, so I am not coloring his eyes and nose. Okay, now here also for tail, same process you have to do. Finish. In this circle, give round. Okay. Now here in the background, green color only, and that green also how you have to use. One time press it and one time don't press. Press it. One line fully you have to color like this, and in second line lightly. Don't press that color. एकदम हल्के हाथ से धीरे धीरे कर दो. Okay, fully color it like this only. See, here I done dark, then light, again dark, again this line, light. Correct. Finish. See, dark light, dark light, dark light. Only one color I used. Yes, na? If you give pressure, then it will come dark. If you not give pressure, it will not come dark. Simple thing. Okay. Now simple one more thing we will do, and that is ground. Brown color again, but don't color this much dark. Just lightly. एकदम धीरे धीरे स्लोली करो, तभी वो लाइटली आएगा. And yes, horizontally you have to color ground. Always you have to color ground horizontally only. ये आप ध्यान में ही रखो. कभी भी ग्राउंड का कलर करना है, हॉरिजॉन्टली कलर कर दो. हल्के हाथ से एकदम. Finish now? Yes. Now we will color eyes and nose. That much only part remaining, right? So color his eyes with black. Not fully, huh? That half circle only you have to color. Here also half circle part only you have to color. eyebrows. Okay, nose finish. Okay, now here one standing line, that is also you have to do with black. And how cutely he is smiling, na? We drawn that smile line, na? So draw that line with red color like this. Wow, lion also smiling. कुछ तो missing है इसमें. What we missed? Yes, these. Like this you have to draw these lines. If you can't, you can draw with pencil and then do with black color only. But in the last. Okay. Finish today's drawing. How it is nice? You like this? Okay, then do neatly and do properly. This part now you have to do neatly. Then only it will look lion now. That is important thing. How I told you to use color. How you have to move your hand. Like this only you have to move, then it will come nicely. Okay? Okay then. Bye bye. Thank you. Love you all.